Welcome to Stone Massage for your lower legs and feet. To get started, you're going to need a few supplies today. You're going to need some form of a heating apparatus. If you have a crock pot at home, it will work perfect. If not, you can purchase a small heating apparatus online through Amazon that heats rocks. They're often just an on-off switch and very easy to use. You will also need an oil. Any massage oil will do. You're just going to need to be able to lubricate the rocks so that way you can massage them back and forth across your skin easily. You'll also need tongs. You're going to notice that the tongs I have here have a rubber tip on it, and it just makes it easier grabbing it out of the water so that way it doesn't slip because the rock is wet. And then one of the most important pieces you're going to need is you're going to need 4 rocks. Now you'll notice I have 2 rocks that are very smooth river rocks. And I have 2 rocks that are a little rougher. You can use either of these rocks. You can choose to order river rocks on Amazon, or you can just go pick them up at your river. So if you're around the corner from a river, just grab 4 rocks and they will work fine. Now there is no difference between the rougher ones or the smoother ones. The rougher ones just give you a very small exfoliation while you're massaging with them, which is a great little bonus. And you will want either a paper towel or a small towel to place underneath your rocks. That way, as you take them out of the heated element, you can let them sit here to drip off so that way they don't get anything else wet. All right, you're going to want to turn on your apparatus, get your water nice and hot, place your rocks inside. And you'll want to fully close the lid to make sure that they heat up. Now you'll want to wait 10 to 20 minutes for your rocks to heat up so that you can massage with them. Now I had already preheated my rocks and I just put them back in for you. So I'm going to go ahead and take them back out so we can get started with our massage. And when your rocks are ready, go ahead and pause this so they're heated and press play. Let's take our rocks out so we can start our massage. Use your tongue and take out 2 of your river rocks. You're going to leave the other 2 river rocks inside so that way they can stay warm. You're going to want to place your rocks directly on your towel so that way the water can drip on it instead of on you. Close your heating apparatus back up so that way the other 2 remaining rocks stay nice and warm. You're going to want to take your oil and you're going to want to apply it all over the surface of your lower leg and your foot. Now you're only going to want to do this to the foot you're starting with. The other foot you can go ahead and lie down on the ground. After you've got the area nice and lubricated, you're going to want to take your rocks and lubricate those. Now once you have both of your rocks lubricated, I want you to take the rock in the palm of your hands and place it on either side of your calf. Okay, you're going to notice there's a hard bone here. You're going to the sides. Okay, we're going to start at the top and we're going to go all the way down to the ankle and come back up the calf. We're going to repeat this move 5 times. What we're doing is warming up this calf muscle, preparing it for a deeper massage. After you've repeated this move 5 times, we're going to do small circles going down the side. You're going to go ahead and use just a little bit deeper pressure this time. Repeat this move 5 times as well. We are just warming up this calf. And next, we're going to be taking the sides of these rocks. We're going to go down with them. You're going to notice it's a little deeper pressure, and you're not even having to apply a lot of pressure with your hands to do that. Now, if this is too deep for you, feel free to keep the flat part of the surface of the rock there. Otherwise, go ahead and go down, come back up, the back side of the calf. Repeating that 5 times. Okay. Now I'd like you to start just above the ankle. You're going to go on either side of this bone. You can feel the bone going across the front shin. You're just going to take it on the sides and you're going to go up. And it's going to be a little bit tender as you do this. My runners, this is a great move right here. It's going to completely relax that shin for you, because I know you're not great at stretching it. Repeat this about 5 times. Now, if for any reason the rocks get too hot for your hands, just know you can flip them and turn them around. Okay, finishing at the top. Now we're going to take the foot and we're going to place it in our lap. So now we'll have access to the side of our calf and our foot. Okay, so we're going to take these stones and we're going to go down the foot and back up. Avoiding the shin bone. Repeating 5 times. Okay, we're going to come down to the foot. Now taking one in each palm, we're going to go across the top of the foot and the bottom of the foot at the same time. Now I'm going to hold one, the base of the foot. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to just go up the inside of the arch of the foot. Okay, now you'll notice I'm using the pointed part here as I'm doing this. So I'm starting at the base of the foot and I'm going up the foot. I'm starting at the inside arch and I'm making my way across the inside of the foot with this rock. Now go ahead and switch. Now this time we're going to line the foot. So we're going to take the rock and we're going to draw a line that goes straight up and we're going to go right in between those toes. Opening up the toes as fast as we can. The rock should be able to fit right in between them, and if it doesn't, that's okay. Just go right to the end of that joint, allowing it to open up and come back down. Okay, now if your rocks are getting cold, you're going to want to go ahead and replace them with warmer rock. Use your tongs to get out your other rocks. You always want your rocks to be nice and warm. Putting our lid back on. Keeping our 2 remaining rocks warm. Now we're going to need to lubricate these rocks so they don't have oil on them. Okay, now we're going to go back to our foot, doing the front and the top of the foot at the same time. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the foot over. We're going to be doing the top of the foot with these stones. And we're just taking the stones, and you'll notice you have bones going across the top of your foot. We're avoiding those bones. We're just going to take the rocks and we're going to go right in between those bones. Repeating 5 times. Go ahead and lift up the foot and just apply the rock right in between the toes. So this rock is still just held in your hand at the top of the foot, keeping it warm. And the secondary rock is going right in between the toes, opening up each one of the toes. Switch rock. Go ahead and Just use one of the rocks and relax the top of the foot afterwards, going all the way up to the base of the toes. Okay. You can come back up the leg. Remember, you can always flip over the rocks if they're hot in your hands. Now we're going to repeat this move 5 times, just relaxing the calf after we finish with the foot. The sides. Now we're going to go to the back of the calf this time. Coming forward. So my hand is just going right up the back of the calf. Repeating 5 times. Now the calf and the foot is warm. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. So I'm going to take the rocks and go to the side and go up the back of the calf. And the front of the calf, avoiding the shin bone. All right, and now we're finishing. We're going to do a big circle going all the way around the calf and the front of the shin, bringing warmth to the area and leaving ourselves with a nice relaxing massage. Now you can repeat these same moves on the opposite foot. You're attempting to bring heat to the area, helping the muscle to relax and allowing your mind to relax as well. I hope you enjoy.
Ready to elevate your self-care routine? Head over to www.solosage.com for exclusive access to over 50 self-care massage techniques. Whether you're on the go or winding down at home, our Solosage system has you covered. Sign up today and start pampering yourself and your loved ones like never before.